Nothing Phone 3 is on the horizon, and the excitement is building. According to recent leaks, the wait might finally be over, with the device expected to launch in July. While official details remain under wraps, leaks and speculation have provided a glimpse into what to expect. Though nothing is confirmed yet, the upcoming smartphone is shaping up to be a major upgrade, keeping fans eager for what's next. A stunning new concept design of the Nothing Phone 3 has just surfaced, and it looks stunning. Stay tuned for all the exciting details, and if you don't want to miss out on more tech updates, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. This new concept design is different from what we have seen earlier. The phone maintains Nothing's signature transparent back, revealing a unique arrangement of internal components. The most striking detail is the redesigned camera module, which now features a triple camera setup in a square layout, resembling high-end flagship devices. The iconic Glyph lighting is still present, but with possible refinements to enhance functionality. If this design is accurate, Nothing seems to be taking a bold step forward while staying true to its distinct aesthetic. What's your take on this new concept design for the Nothing Phone 3? Are you excited about the launch? Feel free to share in the comments below. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. We've explored several design concepts in our recent videos, each with its own unique elements. However, the design that might actually make it to the final product is yet to be seen. But I think the #1 contender could be the one created by David Jojua. This concept retains the signature Glyph lighting but with some modifications, offering a refreshed look. The biggest change is the new triple camera setup housed in a horizontal bar, giving the device a more refined and modern aesthetic. If this design turns out to be real, it could bring a fresh take on Nothing's distinctive style while enhancing functionality. The horizontal camera bar design was first introduced by Google with its Pixel phones, setting a unique design trend. Now, it seems that Apple is also taking inspiration from this concept for its upcoming iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. If these leaks turn out to be true, Apple's flagship models could feature a redesigned camera layout similar to the Pixel series. This shift suggests that major smartphone brands are exploring new design approaches to improve aesthetics and functionality while keeping up with evolving trends. Nothing might introduce a bar-style camera module for several reasons. First, this design allows for a more balanced look while maintaining the brand's signature transparent aesthetic. A horizontal bar can also improve structural integrity and reduce wobbling when placed on a flat surface. Additionally, with brands like Google and Apple adopting this layout, Nothing could see it as a modern and premium design choice that aligns with current trends. If Nothing integrates the Glyph lighting into the bar, it could enhance both functionality and uniqueness, making the Nothing Phone 3 stand out even more. What are your thoughts about the Nothing Phone 3? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.